Hey guys, it's Will. How are you? I haven't done a video in a while, but with the way things are going right now, I thought it'd be a good time to make a video about cleaning your piano. A lot of times we don't necessarily remember to clean our piano. What tends to happen is we play the piano after we eat. We might sneeze, rub our face, rub our eyes, play the piano. We don't really think to wipe it down or clean it as much as we should. For some of you, you're going to be like, well, that's common sense, I clean it all the time. Some of you, it's not common sense, it's something unheard of. So, what we're going to do today, I've got my keyboard. We're going to clean, we'll do one way of cleaning the piano. So, I have a clear tub. You can use a bowl, you can use whatever you have. In this lovely cup, I've already measured out 1/4 cup of water. And then I'm going to take my vinegar, white vinegar, and I'm going to go ahead and put 1/4 cup of white vinegar with the water. Vinegar is actually a natural disinfectant. It's highly acidic. It is a very good cleaning product. The reason why I'm choosing to show you this particular cleaning method, I have an electronic piano, but other people do not have an electronic piano. They have a wooden piano. Vinegar is a lot nicer and less harsh than using like a bleach or Clearax. You can use bleach, you can use Clearax, whatever you want to use. I have a stirrer here. I have just a coffee stirrer, whatever you want to do. I'm going to stir it up, make sure that the vinegar and the water is mixed together. Nice. Now we have our cleaning solution. Now make sure to put the vinegar cap back on, because I, for one, will spill it. Alright, now I have two rags. Two rags. I have one that's going to be wet, one that's going to be dry. So what you want to do to just make sure you're disinfecting your piano is get one of the rags wet. Get the solution in there. Now, when you get the solution in, you're going to have this. This is a bad idea. So if you have an electronic piano, you don't want it sopping wet because you don't want to get the water inside of the electrical components and fry yourself. You also don't want to get water inside the wood. A lot of upright pianos and some of the less expensive baby grands actually have paneling instead of actual paint. So what happens is if that liquid gets inside of there, the paneling starts to remove, well, it starts to peel off of the wood, and then you have damage. You're going to have to get that redone. Another good reason to use the vinegar over the bleach is the fact that the bleach could actually eat away at the paint. So if you are paying for a really nice, expensive piece of artwork, aka a actual piano, like an upright baby grand, something like that, you're ruining the finish when you use some of the bleach, so you need something a little less harsh. Again, I like to use vinegar. It does smell like salad dressing, I'm sorry, but it does, as I said, keep everything clean. Alright, I'm wringing it out. So now we have a wet towel. You could skip this step if you had a Clearax wipe, or you could use Wipe-Ease. Anything that's disinfectant that isn't sopping wet. The point is, it needs to be wet, but not sopping wet. Alright, so I'm going to bring my piano over. Bear with. So here's my piano. As you can see, I have not really cleaned it much over the years. It is officially 15 years old today. This year. I didn't realize that. But cleaning it's really easy. So we make sure that we don't have it sopping wet, and we're just going to look at that. Clean the piano. Make sure to get in there. Make sure to get in between the keys. Press down. See, I'm pressing down to make sure I'm getting in next to the keys. And really just make sure to get a nice, good clean. If there's some places that need scrubbing, like for me, let me lift this up. You're going to notice the buttons that control the sounds, the on and off button, need more scrubbing. So scrub it a little bit. Clean it up. I'm cleaning my whole piano. I'm doing this real fast, sorry. Bear with. As I said, I haven't actually done this in a long time. A lot of the time when I teach piano lessons, I'm using the pianos that my students have. So I don't really need to use my piano, so I don't necessarily clean it as much as I should. So see, even I can learn to remember to avoid being sick. All we really have to do is make sure we're cleaning and we're keeping things nice. Clean, clean, clean. Alright, so I'll hold off on cleaning the rest of my piano while I'm making this video. Sorry. What is this dry towel for? Well, again, remember, if you have an electronic piano or if you have a nice baby grand, you're going to want to wipe off that liquid afterwards. See? I'm just wiping it off, making sure that it's nice and clean. the reason I'm doing this, oops, sorry, making sure that it's nice and dry. Again, the reason why I'm doing this is we don't want that excess water to get inside of the mechanism at all. We don't want to cause any kind of damage to the instrument. And honestly, you really don't want to play a wet piano. So, all in all, things you can do. You know, I understand, especially if you have a full-size piano and you have 88 keys, you're probably not going to want to clean it every single time that you play it, but if there's something going on, like an outbreak of some sort of disease, not to be mentioned, just saying, it wouldn't kill you, so just go ahead and wipe down your pianos. You know, make sure that they're nice and clean, make sure that your hands are clean, make sure you wash your hands before and after you play your piano. Make sure you don't put food by your piano. Don't eat while you're playing the piano. Make sure when you store your piano, I'm talking to me, you don't store it in a place where things could get spilled on it. You know, just normal, everyday things you can do to keep your piano clean, keep it lasting longer, sounding better, and keep you healthy while you're practicing and you're playing. Well, guys, I am so glad that you stopped by today. I hope that this helps you have a little idea as to one way to keep yourself healthy and safe in this crazy world right now. Make sure you keep those pianos nice and clean. Make sure to dry off any excess liquid. One thing real quick, I don't recommend using hand sanitizer to clean your piano. I've had people tell me that that's what they did. The beef that I have with that is the same beef I have with overly washing your hands with hand sanitizer. It only kills 99.9% of germs. Not that vinegar kills more than that, but it's not as safe as you think it is. It's better just to wash it. Yeah. Anyway, so I hope this is helpful. I hope this helps you stay healthy and gives you a little bit of peace of mind about practicing and playing your piano. Have a great day, stay healthy, and hopefully you'll see me again soon. Bye, guys.